Hi everyone, I'm Helem and I'm here with Direct Liquidation. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of this general merchandising Gaylord. So let's get started. So we have a lot of cool stuff right here. These are all general merchandising, so we're going to have a lot of different types of items. Right here we have a Mansfield toilet top. It has the cover and its original packaging. We have a cool control painter from Wagner. It's in its original box, so you'll be able to resell this. There's a lot of home goods. We have a lot of tools, light fixtures. We got this one from Good Earth Lighting. It's LED and its original packaging. Everything is inside. Here we got some Allen and Roth mini pendant lights. So these are great for the home if you want to like hang them on the living room. So you know, these are very stylish, very cool. This is something that would probably sell really well with anybody with a resale business for home goods. This Gaylord is literally packed to the brim with items that are perfect for resale. Right here we have some doorknobs from Reliabuilt. It's a $75 value, so this is great for resale and in perfect condition. So this is a really great item. Here we have a 10-pack paddle switch box. Now this is really cool. It's a Greenworks portable electric pressure washer. It's in its complete box with all its parts inside. Here we have a channel drains shower head. This is a square model. It's perfect for those like rain showers. Now, like I've said in videos before, we do have locations all over the US, so you will be able to source any of these pallets and Gaylords through any of our locations within the US. Here we have some like holiday decor for like Halloween. Here we have a Roundup multi-purpose sprayer in its original box from Cobalt. This one's actually in really good conditions. It's got that leather feel. It's perfect for resale. Here we have a Delta shower head. See it? Still in its original packaging and seems like it's in really good conditions, so perfect for resale. Here we have another Delta shower head. This one is matte black, very modern. Here we have another tool belt from Tough Built, in great conditions. Now we're not even like halfway into this Gaylord and we already have gotten a lot of pretty cool stuff out of it. I'm gonna just keep on going and get a couple more things. This is cool. We have a ceiling fan from Harbor Breeze. This one is in its original packaging, completely sealed. Looks like in great conditions. Some more Halloween stuff. And lastly, we have a Power Shot nail gun and staple gun. This one's actually in its original packaging. Seems like it's perfect for resale. And I know I said this is the last one, but this Gaylord still has so many products inside. I'm not gonna go through all of it, but I think we got some pretty cool stuff out of it. If you have any questions, please make sure to contact our sales team. All their contacts will be in the description down below. And thank you again for watching. Bye.